Number 3. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra stands out in a crowded market as the ultimate camera powerhouse. Your inner photographer will appreciate the extensive array of lenses on this device. With a big 200-megapixel sensor, a 5x optical zoom, and smart AI editing features, your shots look pro-level every time. You might wonder about the 5x optical zoom being a step down from the 10x on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Trust me, it's not a downgrade. This phone sports a much larger sensor on that zoom lens, producing sharper and richer images. Picture quality excels whether capturing celestial bodies or your child's soccer game. Besides the main 200-megapixel sensor, the 5x zoom brings a 50-megapixel sensor to the table, delivering high-quality images even at a distance. Not only that, there's also a 3x zoom lens with a 10-megapixel sensor. And let's not forget the 12-megapixel sensor for ultra-wide shots that come out crisp, making landscape photography a joy. That sensor also excels in super steady videography, keeping your videos smooth and professional. Samsung's clever AI features are another strong point, making every photo look at its best. Food, monuments, or portraits, the AI optimizes each shot perfectly. If Google's AI features made you curious, Samsung's built-in scene recognition will impress you even more. Sure, there could be room for improvement. It might not have a 10x zoom, but the larger sensor on the zoom lens makes up for it in image quality. You'll quickly forget about that minor gripe as you enjoy shooting all kinds of subjects. In short, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is a versatile, camera-centric beast ready to tackle any task you throw its way. Discover just how much this phone can do by checking it out yourself.